Hi, Lisa here from Mindfully Nutritious. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making black bean brownie bites. So let's get started. In a large bowl, mix together rinsed and drained black beans, oat flour, cocoa powder, salt, baking powder, melted coconut oil, vanilla extract, and real maple syrup. Grab a spatula and stir ingredients together until mixture is glossy. Taste your batter. It's pretty delicious already, but we are definitely not done. Pour mixture into a high-speed blender. Blend at medium speed for 3 minutes. This blender footage was too good to edit out, so let's talk nutrition while we watch our batter transform. Black beans are rich in fiber, which is great for gut health because black beans are digested slowly, allowing your body to absorb essential nutrients while keeping you full and satisfied. Okay, now back to the batter. Pause your blender and scrape down the sides. Taste your batter. It's totally edible and can definitely be used as a chocolate bean dip, but we have other plans for this recipe. Blend again for 2 minutes or until mixture is smooth, fluffy, and lump-free. Pour batter into a well-greased 8x8 baking tray. Use the back of the spatula to fill the batter into the corners and even out the top. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges begin to pull away from the sides of the tray. Let cool completely for 30 minutes, then carefully flip tray upside down. Grease your knife and make vertical and horizontal cuts to create 1-inch bite-sized squares. Fill a medium pot halfway with water, bring to a boil, and then place a heat-resistant bowl over the pot to create a double boiler. Pour chocolate chips into the glass bowl. Stir consistently until chocolate is melted and then add in coconut oil and continue stirring. Close heat and carefully coat 5 to 6 squares completely in chocolate. Then using 2 forks, individually remove squares, allowing extra chocolate to drip off before placing on parchment paper-lined baking tray. This process is going to take about 15 minutes. Be patient, go slow, and smile. I promise it'll be worth the time. Lightly sprinkle coarse kosher salt or sea salt on top of bites. Place in freezer for 30 minutes to set. Enjoy these directly from the freezer for a chocolate ice cream consistency or keep them in the fridge for brownie texture. Either way is delicious and you can't go wrong. Let us know in the comments below how you like this recipe and maybe even hit that like button. Until next Friday, be well, be mindful, and keep cooking.